We are looking at the women's sexy bodycon jumpsuit. So this is a super cute long sleeve, high neck, one piece outfit. Really just a all-in-one outfit. So you put it on, your outfit's pretty much decided. You just have to accessorize, which makes this super easy to style, very much form-fitting. So you can see that ruching detail kind of at the tummy area and throughout it. Really just smooths everything out, slims you out, but it's very much like fitted and a compression style outfit. So great, definitely for doing sports. You can see you've got a lot of flexibility in it. Gives you a little bit of lift on the bust too, and a slight opening in the back to make it a little bit more breathable. The material on it is thin but not transparent, so you're not going to overheat either. It is 100% polyester, very stretchy. Comes in a ton of sizes, small through XL, other colors as well. So obviously I'm wearing the blue one. They also make a really cool brown one and black. I personally like doing black accessories with this solid blue one. But this is, yeah, very much a bodycon style item. I find it really sporty, so I like pairing hats with it. I feel like, though, you could wear this, like, on vacation, out for yoga. I've actually seen these one pieces a lot used in yoga lately. As far as, like, washing it, because I just wash it on a low temperature. I personally don't like to dry it. I just, like, don't dry any of my athletic wear items. But very much fits true to size. No issues with it being too big or too small. I just ordered my usual medium size and it fit perfectly. You can pair it with, like, I usually do like a leather jacket or like a little hoodie over it. Really whatever your vibe is. The size range of it, small through extra large, like we said, they give you dimensions for the back length, the bust, the sleeves, and the waist. But I am obsessed with this one. Lots of room too if you want, like, stretchiness, if you're going to be, I don't know, doing some insane workouts. Love it. Check it out.